Howdy everybody, I'm Dave from the Pinner Racing and the Best Dual Sport Bikes. Now look, it's after Christmas. I hope you had a great one. And it dawned on me, you are really involved with the right person, married to the right person, something, when they get you something like this. People of Walmart.com adult activity inactivity book. I love how right here, rolling back productivity, because I love Walmart. Who's kidding who? You always leave there feeling better about yourself, and no matter what you buy, from eggs to glue to tires, you know you got a good deal. Let's look at some of the pages in here. Well, we'll look at some of the pages in this coloring book, but first let's talk about the new 24 to 26 350 power lips. Yeah, they're done and the results are in. So the lips, the famous power lips, man, they've been selling good for the 500s. Even a lot of nice testimonials come back, you know, things like, man, those things work. The 350, the 24 to 26 350, that intake length is really short. It could be a little bit shorter because the RPM level that the power would be produced is a little higher. That aspect of it makes sense. However, most of this is a frame configuration thing. It just had to be short here for things to fit. So when you put these in there, just a little, sniff a little lube, which will dry. This is just soapy water because I'm gonna end up pulling them back out. And they'll dry and these won't come back out. You really have some length. Now, in fact, you're going an average of an inch longer now with pickup length. This is what the tester guys said. And I don't have dyno results on these things because I don't have a bike here. I just sent these off to various people that I trust and that were running the power bundle kind of stuff, and everybody's in agreement that, yeah, right from the get-go up into where you want to be, maybe about 8,000 RPMs, you can feel that really good gain. Approximately the same that you could on the 500 or so on that dyno, which was up to 3 horsepower. That's a big deal. On a 350, I don't know if that's the case because, well, you know, I haven't run the thing on the dyno. But what you feel with the butt dyno is a big improvement. So all you need to know is if you have a 2024 to 26 KTM Husky Gas 350, the one with the headlight, not the race bike, but you know, EXCs, XFWs, FEFS, EW, ES, those bikes, then this is your friend. You take the stock reeds, the two-stroke reed cage out of the intake tract. Here on these bikes, I'm not selling the aluminum tube for these things anymore because the lips are noticeably better. They slide into place, the end. If you want the most horsepower you can get out of the intake tract on those 350s, do it. It will work, of course, with the, you know, aftermarket ECUs, Vortex and stuff, and other exhaust systems. You don't have to use our power bundle. It works fantastic with the power bundle and that whole thing for less than 600 bucks. Well, you're not going to beat that anywhere on the USA and Canada spec bikes. So now, besides thank you very much for watching and get some of these power lips, let's just take a gander at what I get to do tonight with my coloring pens. I like the disclaimer. I like these people here. This dude wearing a bikini with little tattoos and mullet maze. I get to draw through the mullet maze. Which shopping cart was not the scene of an intimate act last night in the parking lot. Of course, this shirtless dude in a van. That's funny because I have a van, but I usually don't look like that. A lot of mullets, a lot of funny dressing, a lot of fat stuff. Love it.